Hi all, this is actually May's Craftiosity box, but unfortunately I'm recording on the 1st of June because I've had a lot going on. See my update video to see what's been going on, but I'm just getting this done now. I've already had a sneak peek because I'm naughty, but it's really good. So, get your little postcard thing, which is cool. And this is what our theme is for the month, and that's theme Golden Sunshine. How pretty is all that? And this is the mood board. And this is the instructions for what we're doing. This is gold metal, leaf metal. Let's open this up. Try to do this without damaging it. So just do this. Do this one out. There we go. So can you see the copper leaf in there? Isn't that pretty? And there's several sheets in there. Can you see how many sheets are in that? That's actually really cool. There's loads in there. We won't need anywhere near that much. But as you can see, it's the copper one. And that's just imitation copper leaf, ideal for decoration on almost all kinds of materials. 25 sheets, 16 by 16 centimetres. There we go. Oh, got a nice little paintbrush with a protected cover to make the tip stay nice, which is really nice. I like that on my actual paintbrushes. This is a number 4 gold line if anyone's interested. And then we've got PVA glue. I actually have this by the bucket load. I sell this in my shop, so I actually have some of this. And then this is the leaf bowl that we will be gold leaf coppering. How awesome is that? It's actually a really good size. You see the size on that? Could like fit my hand in it. It's a really good size and it's really nice. It's a terracotta dish. So it's a bit hard to do that with all the light reflecting. Can you see all the lines in there? Isn't that lovely? And I think that's everything in there. Yep. I do love the sprinkle stuff. I could play with this stuff all day. So we're just going to PVA over that and brush this on basically, and it's going to look so pretty. I'll do this on camera when I do it. Now that I'm not studying, I have time to do it. So I can't wait to it, but look how pretty it's going to look when it's done. Isn't that lovely? I can't wait to do this. I've never done gold leaf or copper leaf or any of that kind of foiling, so I've never worked with foil, so that's 2 different types of foil now, the iron-on and the leaf type one, the gold foil, gold leaf, whatever you want to call it. This is going to be really good fun to do, so I'm really impressed with my second box, to be honest. I've already seen the sneak peek to the next box and it looks really good. I'm really looking forward to it. And that one will be shown in June, unlike this one. So I'm really happy with it, and keep an eye out for me doing the tray, bowl thing. I've forgotten the name, the leaf thing. I will do that on camera at some point during the summer. So I hope you enjoy it. And I'll see you all soon. Bye.